Good evening. Class 10 and 11 for bridge course. Physics Numericals part 3. Without wasting time, I would like to do two sums. Question number 1 is to find the work done by a force of 900 Newton which displaces an object through a distance of 80 मिटर 900 न्युटनको फोर्स लगाएर एउटा अब्जेक्टलाई 80 मिटर पर धकेलेको छ भने ओजन कति हुन्छ? अब यसमा फोर्स F 900 न्युटन, distance D, or you can write as S also is 80 meter, and work done what? We know work done equal force into distance. By the definition, work done is the product of force and displacement. Force is 900 Newton, displacement is 80 meter, 72000 joules. This is the work done. So work done is 72,000 joules or 72 kilojoules work done हुन्छ. Question number 1. Directly you can use the formula. And to find the force, work done by distance. To find the distance, work done by force. And question number 2 is very interesting question. Just first of all, let me write down a question. A police officer on a parked motorbike chases a robber. Either you can say robber or some, you can also say dacoit, dagger. With a constant acceleration of 5 meter per second square for 10 seconds. First, let me write down the question. Then he moves with constant velocity for next 15 seconds. Finally, he retards his bike. Here, bike means motorbike, to arrest the robber in 10 seconds. In 10 seconds, find the total distance. Total distance, retardation for last case, and the average velocity. Question a little bit long पनि छ, very interesting question पनि छ. A police officer on a parked motorbike chases a robber dacoit with a constant acceleration of 5 meter per second square for 10 seconds. 10 सेकेन्डसम्म त्यो पुलिस अफिसरले के गर्छ, 5 मिटर पर सेकेन्ड स्क्वायरको एक्सेलरेसनले एउटा डागलाई लखेड्छ. पार्क मोटरबाइक भनेपछि पार्किङ गरेको भन्नाले यहाँ हामीले इनिसियल भेलोसिटी 0 बुझ्नुपर्छ. देन त्यसपछि चाहिँ के गर्छ, हि मुभ्स विथ अ कन्स्ट्यान्ट भेलोसिटी फर नेक्स्ट 15 सेकेन्ड. अर्को 15 सेकेन्डसम्म एक नासले दौडिन्छ, पोर्सामा कुद्छ. फाइनली हि रिटार्ड्स हिज बाइक टु अरेस्ट द रबर इन 10 सेकेन्ड. 10 सेकेन्डमा टु अरेस्ट भनेपछि अरेस्ट गर्नलाई के हुनुपर्छ, फाइनल भेलोसिटी 0 हुनुपर्छ. फाइन्ड द टोटल डिस्टेन्स, रिटार्डेसन एन्ड एभरेज भेलोसिटी। अब सोल्युसनमा I'd like to draw the diagram. Simple diagram चाहिँ यस्तो छ। A, this is the police officer, this is the dacoit, is A to B and B to C and C to D. At A, first of all, along AB, case 1, along AB मा initial velocity of police officer on a parked motorbike chases a robber dacoit with a constant acceleration, means u equal 0, time equal with a constant acceleration of 5 meters per second square for 10 seconds. Acceleration is 5 meter per second square. If the acceleration is 5 meter per second square, you can easily find final velocity. V equal u plus at, 0 plus 5 into t, 50 meter per second square. 50 meter per second square final velocity along A to B. A मा चेन्ज गर्छ, B मा पुग्छ 10 सेकेन्डमा। यो 10 सेकेन्डमा यहाँ यु 0 छ, A 5 मिटर पर सेकेन्ड स्क्वायरको एक्सेलरेसनले गइरहेको छ। S1 डिस्टेन्स AB S1 इक्वल कति हुन्छ? अब यसको डिस्टेन्स निकाल्ने फर्मुला हुन्छ। यसको डिस्टेन्स निकाल्नको लागि हामीले के गर्न सक्छौँ? S1 equal to ut or v plus u by 2 into t. V plus u by 2 into t. V भनेको फाइनल भेलोसिटी 50, u भनेको इनिशियल भेलोसिटी 0 to times 10 सेकेन्ड, 50 into 10 by 2 आउँछ 250 meter. First distance, the police officer moves 250 meter for the first case. अब second case, along BC. Along BC मा velocity is final velocity is 50 meter per second. Then he moves with a constant velocity for next 15 seconds. अर्को 15 सेकेन्डसम्म भन्नाले यहाँ 15 सेकेन्ड लेख्ने यो भेलोसिटी हुन्छ 50 meter per second. Constant velocity. So, since the velocity is constant, we know BC second distance equal constant velocity into time. Constant velocity is 50 times 15, 750 meter. अब BC मा अब चाहिँ S2 750 मिटर पर सेकेन्ड, अलिकति लामो छ, यहाँ हामीले म क्वेसन भन्दैछु। AB मा u0 10 सेकेन्ड, A एक्सेलरेसन 5 meter per second square. B final velocity at the point B, u plus 80, 0 plus 5 into 10, 50 meter per second. AB distance कति ट्राभल गर्यो त? कन्स्टेन्ट एक्सेलरेसनमा v plus u by 2 into t, 50 plus 0 by 2 into t, 250 आयो। Along BC, final velocity at B is 50. So, along BC, the constant velocity is 50 meter per second, time 15 seconds. Distance traveled is BC, V into T, 50 into 15, 750 meter. Now, finally, along CD. अब CD मा चाहिँ हामीले निकाल्नुको लागि के गर्नुपर्छ त भन्दा यसलाई अनि म मेट्दिन्छु the robber in 10 seconds. अब finally he retards his motorbike to arrest the robber in next 10 seconds. अर्को 10 सेकेन्डमा रोक्छ भन्नाले फाइनली हामीले के गर्नु पर्यो त? फाइनली along BC, along CD मा what is the initial velocity? यसको इनिशियल भेलोसिटी 0, B 50, यहाँ पनि 50. along CD मा युनिफर्म रिटार्डेसन भएको हुनाले u equal 50 meter per second, V0, time taken is 10 seconds. In next final 10 seconds, he retards. What is the retardation? Retardation A bar equal V minus U by T. यो रिटार्डेसन पनि निकालौँ. V भनेको 0 minus U 50 by 10. यो minus 5 is plus 5 because retardation minus was retardation, so retardation is 5 meter per second square. Retardation यति भयो. अब हामीले के गर्नु पर्यो त यसलाई म मेटिदिन्छु. Retardation is what is the distance? Distance CD equal S3. Formula V plus U by 2 into T. CD मा यहाँनिर चाहिँ फाइनल भेलोसिटी 0 हुन्छ, इनिशियल भेलोसिटी 50 नै हुन्छ. यसको टाइम छ 10 seconds. V final velocity to arrest. He should stop the motorbike. पुलिस अफिसरले मोटरबाइक रोक्छ, त्यसैले फाइनल भेलोसिटी 0 U 50 नै भयो अपन टु 10. 50 into 10 by 2 यो आउँछ 250 मिटर. रिटार्डेसन पनि आयो 5 मिटर पर सेकेन्ड स्क्वायर. डिस्टेन्स आयो S3 250. अब टोटल डिस्टेन्स निकालौँ. S1 250, 750, 250. टोटल डिस्टेन्स. What is the total distance? Total distance along AD is S1, S2, S3. S1 the 250, 750 र 250. 250, 750 plus 250. 250 यो 1000, 1250 meter or 1.25 kilometer. Total distance. We have to find total distance and total time. What is the total time? Total time is T1, T2, T3. अब हेरौँ T1 कति छ त? फर्स्ट टाइम छ 10 सेकेन्ड, 15, 10. 10 second, 15 second, again 10 second means 35 second is the total time. Total time, total distance. What is the average velocity? By the definition, के हो त definition? Average velocity AV equal total distance by total time. Sometimes the speed is more, sometimes speed is less. कहिले घटी हुन्छ, कहिले बढी हुन्छ, कहिले छिटो ढिलो हुन्छ. टोटल डिस्टेन्स छ 1250 मिटर. टोटल टाइम छ 35 सेकेन्ड. यसलाई हिसाब गर्दा आएको छ 35 होल 5/7. 35 whole 5/7 meter per second. What is to find? Total distance सोधेको छ 1250. Average velocity दिएको छ 35 whole 5/7 second. यसलाई काटेर गर्न सकिन्छ र यसको रिटार्डेसन आउँछ 5 मिटर पर सेकेन्ड square. So, what is the first thing? Now, retardation for the last case. सुरुमा होइन, सबभन्दा पछिको चोरलाई समात्नुभन्दा अगाडि रिटार्डेसन हुन्छ 5 मिटर पर सेकेन्ड स्क्वायर. टोटल डिस्टेन्स. Total distance 1250 meter or 1.25 kilometer divided by 1000. Average speed or average velocity is 35 whole 5/7 meter per second square. त्यसैले फर्स्ट केस युनिफर्म एक्सेलरेसन, सेकेन्ड केस युनिफर्म मोसन, थर्ड केस युनिफर्म रिटार्डेसन. फर्स्ट केसमा फाइन्ड आउट द टोटल डिस्टेन्स, सेकेन्ड केस फाइन्ड द distance S2, third find the distance for the uniform retardation. Add all the distances 250, 70, 250, 1250 meter. Total distance 1250. Total time is 10, 15, 10, 35 seconds. By definition of the average velocity, it is very difficult to find out separately. So find total distance, find total time. Total distance by total time is average velocity. So retardation A is 5 meter per second square. For the last case CD, total distance 1250 meter or 1.25 kilometer. Average velocity is 35 over 5 by 7 meter per second, or 35 point something 77 something meter per second square per second. This was for today. I think this the last question is very interesting one. Practice such questions.